Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about Linux containers, or LXC for short. Now you might be thinking, what are containers? And I get it, it sounds a bit like something from the Matrix. But don't worry, I promise this won't involve any red pills or blue pills. Alright, so Linux containers is actually an open source software that provides lightweight virtualization for operating systems. It's kind of like the difference between renting a single-family home and sharing an apartment with several people. When you use a containerized environment, think of it as having your own private room within the main apartment. You get to control what goes in there, what software you install, and how you configure it. It's more secure, efficient, and easy to manage because everything is compartmentalized. But here's where it gets weird. Containers don't have their own operating system. They share resources with the host OS. So if your roommate has a super powerful gaming computer, everyone can still use it to play games or do work. It might not be perfect for everyone at once, but it's much more efficient than having separate systems. Let's break this down even further. Containers provide isolation, which means they don't interfere with each other or the host OS. They have their own environment where everything runs smoothly without conflicts or errors. And because they use less resources than traditional virtual machines, you can run multiple containers on one machine without any issues. So why would anyone want to use Linux containers? Well, imagine you're working on a project with several different components that need different environments to function properly. With LXC, you can set up all those environments in separate containers and manage them easily. Plus, it makes deploying applications faster and more reliable. But what about security? Since containers share resources, some people might be concerned about potential breaches. However, because each container has its own isolated environment, even if one gets compromised, the others are safe. So your precious data stays secure. In conclusion, Linux containers, or LXC, is a powerful tool for virtualization that provides lightweight, efficient, and secure environments for running different operating systems. If you're curious about trying it out, we have a step-by-step guide on our channel. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech breakdowns like this. Lastly, let me ask you this question: would you trust an AI assistant with your daily tasks? Share your thoughts in the comments below and join us next week as we dive deeper into AI and how it's shaping our future.